May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high.
Hey guys, it is time to do the final birthday gift away, which is a box of my favorite goodies, a mystery box. So we're going to take that link, put it right in here. Paisy Rose, you are the winner. So yay! Congratulations. I will message you here on your comment and get with you. So yay! Congratulations. Thank you for helping me celebrate my birthday. Hey guys, we are going to do something absolutely new on this channel. I have not shared crafting with you, and I am going to make some fall DIYs. This is an open collab. If you'd like to join me, I would love it, and I would definitely come check out your video. I am all about decorating my home for the holidays. I love decorating for autumn and Christmas the most. I do a little bit for winter, and then it fizzles out, and I'll throw up a little tiny wreath or something for summer. But I have bought this stuff last year. I will put that video up in the cards or down in the description box below. But this is what I am going to use. This week I'm going to share how I am making a autumn wreath for our front door. And I think it's going to come out good. I don't know. It's kind of an experiment, so you will see it along with me. Yes, I know you can hear the dishwasher. But what I have is some Chanel stems. I got 2 different colors because I do have different colors of mesh. I have 4 different rolls of ribbon, which is just the buffalo check. This kind of cream with gold, a burlap, and just the black mesh kind of in a ribbon. Black, it's brown, Sheila. As far as my mesh goes, I have 2 brown, 2 of the sparkly orange, 2 gold. And I'm not necessarily using a mesh, I'm using tulle for my wreath. We'll see how it goes. I wanted to give it a shot because I think it's a little softer of a look than the deco mesh is. The deco mesh is kind of rough. I also have this cream color tulle as well that we will be using. I picked up these 2 mums. I thought they were beautiful in a champagne color. And I have 2 white pumpkins. So we're going to see what we can do with this, and then we'll see if we need to add anything else. I'm going to start cutting my bundles, and I'm going to tell you I am just cutting each one of these into an 8-inch piece, and then I'll show you what I do from there. I'll probably show you as I cut them, but my battery needs to charge first. So I will probably start that here in a second. You're gonna see it in a second, but I've got to charge this battery first. I'm gonna probably set you to some great music, and I will chit chat with you in a second. Okay guys, so this is a 16-inch ring, a form that I got from the floral department at Hobby Lobby. It obviously is going to be a little bit fuller than 16 inches, but that was just going to the smallest size. I am going to take some time, and I'm going to make all these bundles. What I do is, I first wanted to make sure that it was going to work, and I think it's going to be perfectly fine. Most people like to use the deco mesh for these wreaths, and I love it too. I wanted to try something different. To me, crafting is just an experiment, and it's just for fun. And you get some nice touches for your home as well. So the tulle is working just fine. Most likely because 2 of them are glittery, and so it kind of helps the others to have a little bit more body. And you can kind of work each one as you put it on. I am going to sit down and make at least, I'm expecting to put at least 6 of these bundles on each little section, as you see, right here in the center. I will show you as I attach them, but I don't think you want to sit and watch me cut out all of the pieces I need out of each one of these colors. I am going to go with an 8-inch length. Each of these are 6 inches wide, so it'll be 8 by 6. And I'm rolling them at a diagonal just to give them a little bit more length and a little bit more fullness. And then we'll go from there. Hey guys, just a real quick update. That is one section with 8 bundles. With the tool being thinner than the deco mesh, I'm definitely going to have to do at least the 8 in each section. I may need to go back in at the top or the bottom and put a random few. Right now, I'm thinking it might be okay. A lot of it will depend on what I add in it. I'm excited to see how this comes out. Okay guys, I am not going to finish this project this week. Today is today is Monday. I'm going to get the video up for you today, so that this is part 1. I'll show you what I did, because I don't know if I did or not so far. But I did get some tool cut, and I need to do another cut enough for another 4 sections. So that I will get done, and I will finish this wreath this week. So you have to stay continued until then to see it. Hold on, I'll show you what I did so far. I have it up here on the wall. And that's what it looks like so far. I did get that one section full, and it's looking cute. So onward, forward, we're gonna finish this project. I really had hoped to get it done this week, but it did not happen, and that's okay. That's all right. Yay. So next week I will show you the rest of the wreath, and then I may have a second project done if I get the wreath done with enough time to work on it. So if you are doing any fall decor DIYs, I would love to see them. Just comment down below and I will come look at your video. Until tomorrow, bye.
You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last.